try.
What about now? Should be fixed. Yeah, sweet.
Yeah. Pensaba que te había olvidado.
Bro, it's playing fucking J Balvin. Hard not to be bearish. This here is like ideal. Cause now it's fucking dying.
Sweet side inside. Pay down fine. Calm as the bay. Dark brown diamonds. I'm okay, babe. Dark brown diamonds. So go on the run. Dark brown diamonds. Fill the cup, not
What's good, Edge? What's going on today, bro?
People that I know that don't need people that
About 30, don't show. I'm alright. Could be better, could be worse, I like to say. Could always be better, could always be worse. That's good thoughts. Looks good, bro. This is like textbook short for me of continuation. Whether it's respecting here and then inversing this, shorting this inverse is like fucking ideal. But I saw it and the market's moving pretty clean, so I thought I'd just fucking hop on. See if I can catch something. Nice, bro. Yeah. I've stagnated this week on my current standpoint, so I just need to fucking accept risk, bro, and take a trade when I see the system right here. Just gotta accept the risk, let it play out. Because there's too many things here suggesting that we continue down. Bearish, continuation, get the system full there. Just wanna see what we do in this level here. That's the biggest thing, bro. It's the same as me. I've been hesitating to accept risk because I know that I'm, you know, at a good spot. So it's the same for me, bro. Don't worry. Is the music like really loud?
That's lighting up the fuse.
It would be really loud.
A little twist of funk, a little twist of funk. That's all it really takes to shake away the blues. So everybody now, if you're feeling the groove. So everybody now,
So inverse is here,
so everybody now,
tagged up there. So shorts has to be shorts.
we're gonna
At this level, I've expected bounce.
twist of funk, makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice. A little twist of funk makes me feel so nice.
Depends, like, nah, if you enter here, remember you set a TP for here, and then here, and then here, your entry price is still here. That only changes when you add into a position.
Life is just a smooth, straight line, a simple classic gin, yeah. But it's missing something sharp to let the magic in. Ooh, yeah.
It's important as over here.
Ooh, yeah. We are the funky bite. Ooh, yeah. That turns the ordinary into the electric light. So everybody,
But yeah, whatever your average price is will stay the same, bro. It's only if you add in, like if you short in here and then you short in here, your average price becomes here. Your average price shouldn't change. Your average price stays the same. Say you got 5 contracts here and then 5 here, you have 10 average in the middle. And then if you take 3 off here, you have 7 average here still. Do like this for a little push back up. But a 500 tick chart I shouldn't be trading. Just hesitated off these shorts here. We inverse, we retag, bang, we go down. 2000 gap here, we come, close through. Small one here, tag, bang, down. So, but then we're coming into this previous downside that we've also inversed. So then it's like you expect a bounce here. So like this type of, yeah, that's what I mean. It's a very big bounce point. Yeah, I've maxed $300 risk per day. This is quite bullish for me. I just don't know which side to take. Yeah, people longing this close, so I want to see what it does here with this 2000 close out. See if it wants to manipulate this low one more time, and then if we get a reaction, I might try long back into like 50% of this if we can come underneath it, but it might just run from here for a little bit. And then this 5,000 is going to be quite a big rejection point, I think. One minute open fair value gap. It's a bit of a shit spot to get involved in a trade, but the zones today, like, are fucking pinpoint. Bang, bang, bang. Sometimes I think I should just become a fucking hyper scalper, bro, and just play these sort of things. What's good, Sean? What's good, my bro? What is happening? I just saw the market is fucking moving pretty nice, and there's been a few setups here already that I could have taken. 50%, 2000 inverse here. Respect, 2000 inverse downside. Just thought I'd start it early and see if I can take advantage of the actual momentum. But if I'm in a trade, yeah, this is nice here. I had this zone marked out of these inversion points, 2 inversion points, bounced in, and then re-respecting this to the back to the upside. Well, I was just saying that I like this as well. But then we're back in this level here, so if this fails in this 5,000 inversion, I'd assume that it wants to continue to this low. What time do you trade, Sean? Do you have a set time, or you just get on the charts and see what's cooking? Pre-New York session. Bro, yeah, scalping on Asia really can work. Like even here, like this looks prime to just from here to this low off this close. I know it's only a 1-to-1, but I wouldn't take that because I don't trade that way. But today is like almost scalper's market. We're coming into these levels, bang, instant rejection. Come up here, bang, instant rejection. Same thing, up here, bang, instant rejection. Same with this 5,000 inversion, get this reaction, could easily just short this, just off momentum to the downside, whether it works or I don't know. Yeah, I'm trading a 1.5 RR, but I'm really thinking if a fucking 1 RR would just be better, just to get more consistent wins. I don't want to mark that out because I don't want to start creating ideas. Just wait. Opposing bullish bearish candle here. I gotta fucking shake off this scared to take a trade thing that's happening at the moment because I've been stagnant on this 51.5. And like, to be honest, the days have been good to trade. There's been nothing wrong. This one here, we inverse this, bang, went up. Continuation trade right here. Inversion, sell. And then you have this one here, off the external sweep, bang, inversion. I have to fucking legit just stop being a pussy. And just accept the risk because the system's fine. Even this day, we pushed above, but where was the setup that I was playing? I think this would have been a losing day actually, but this one was clean off the open. Inverse tag. I don't know. I'll keep to 1.5R for now because it has been working, but I haven't even given it a chance to either blow past the account, just following the system. I start intervening. As soon as I tilted that last Thursday and Friday, psychology's been fucking in the mud. Nine points. I mean, it's all you need, really. Just like really and truly. 150 probably pays the bills. That you're not getting ahead in life, but you know, once you get that down pat, and fucking much easier to scale a 9-point scale. 5x the position size, yeah, 3x, 5x, then $450 a day, $500 a day. More than you need to earn. And obviously this doesn't account for losing days, but let's say you have 5 accounts doing 150, you average that 400 a day. So all you need. What are you trading with now? Sure. Hey, micro. This for me is showing acceptance back higher. Fuck me dead. That's crazy. How do you protect like a bad day? You have like max losses or something, or because that's the thing I'm struggling with a 1.5R strategy. 1 loss a day makes sense, but if I change to 1R strategy, I'm trying to think. I don't think I could be happy with taking 1 loss, because then 1 winning day sort of just keeps you at the same. So I think I'd have to be like maybe dynamic risk. First position half size, next position full size or something. 450. So you just play around with the max loss limit. You don't really care about number of trades or anything like that. It's much easier to take multiple 1 hour trades a day. Even a 1.5 hour, you're still asking for a bit much out of the move sometimes. Bit ugly here. Might be a case where it's getting close to 12 o'clock and I don't know if I want to be in a trade. I know it's still an hour to go, but that even this one, like I was saying, would have been alright. Just to that low. It's like all you need to make money. Just have a zone, rejection, level, rejection. I don't know. Yeah, what the fuck? What about yesterday? I didn't fucking came into the market and you just see this shit. Which is obviously this. Go to 2000. And my 2000 continuation strategy on a strong day, honestly, like I just need to, like if I mark out every 2000 inversion here, I reckon almost every single one will hit. It's just too low in the range. This one, let's just say we'll lose up. This one, technicality would still work. Like every single fucking time. I'm not even taking a piss. No 2000 inverses here, bottom. And you get one here again. But it's like, am I gonna be shorting every fucking inversion lower? You never know that, because over the long term it'll probably fail, but I mean, just trusting that it's quite powerful on the tick chart at areas of interest specifically. What's your normal trading like? Because yeah, scalping is so, like, if you're used to fucking positional trades, scalping is like, feels retarded. Yeah. So, I mean, it's probably much nicer to fucking be in and out of a position though. That was my biggest issue, was like being in fucking trades for ages. It's a really nice reaction out of this 2000 inverse here. Watch this wick back in, faster take. Are you still using that one? This I've been paying attention to it, and it does actually help a lot in just like whatever this sometimes says really is like yeah, so I don't take 500 tick setups because it just happens too quickly. I don't like the fact that I'm on a 500 tick chart. I like the EMA and VWAP that I use on here. It works really nicely at points, not always, but like say you really break out of VWAP, you will like hold above pretty nicely. On certain days, not every day. What EMAs do you use? This is a nice day. But it's still pretty short. 85, 21 and 9. Let me take a photo of that. Back test. Tricky. Now we've pretty much reinversed this back to the upside. Hesitation. I think this strategy is in a good spot. It just I need to refine what I have going on here and probably build some more things into it, like shorts below VWAP or longs above VWAP, or not even, because I haven't even been looking at that stuff, and when I just trade it, it's fine. Like for me, I don't know, this is a bit annoying. This could create an inversion back to the downside, which sort of looks like what I might want to do. I got hesitation. Yeah, it is really just risk control. I just didn't accept risk. I think my biggest issue right now is being scared to walk away at a $300 loss day. That's my biggest issue. Because like, really in the grand scheme of things, what's a negative 300 day gonna do to me? Nothing. I don't know why I have this like fear to just say, alright, bearish 50% inversion, short this. If it's a loss, who cares, come back tomorrow. If it's a win, look for the next setup. Alright, yeah, this would have hit. If I'm really just fucking in flow state, this happens so quickly. Alright, we've confirmed, now I want to see continuation, go here, alright. Can I short this? Maybe, or whatever, but you know what I mean? Like, I don't know why I'm overthinking it so much. I'm limiting myself by hesitating. Yeah, well, it's like there's two people. One's got perfect fucking risk management but scared to gamble, and then you have one that is never scared to take a risk and you just have to control. Yeah, and I fucking go through stages of like full send and no send. I need to find a happy medium. I need to grow my balls back, basically, and just back myself when I see something. Hard to say here because I can see us bouncing like off sort of forming like this. This first test, I like. Anything here is like less probable, but I really do. Even like this session, I just really want to push a button, so I'm going to. See if we can come back up into this area. No, I can't chase a trade once it's already happened. Like here, I had this level, I said a retest of here I like, and then this level is where I want to see it bounce from. We came in, formed. I'm just trying to see if I can combine my 2000 areas with points of interest, because things like this are good indications that it's confirming of the order flow. But sometimes you can get trapped in some chops that's hard to see through. But yeah, here 2000 inverse, wick, down, bang. So you hold that short bias, continuation, take it. Even here, if you refine this, you probably get a decent setup within this. If I'm playing the full 2000, then it's obviously a bit shit. That still offers 1-to-1. And then obviously this one's pretty nice. So it wicks in perfectly. You can actually toggle the external. What's that? 3-0. Like here, in hindsight, with this wick printing like this, I probably expect that this wants to continue lower. But it depends how these close. I'm trying to get better at waiting for closes, because there's so many times that this candle looks like this, you know how it did, and then it just ends up here, which is like pretty much exactly what's happening. Close the most important, because this chart can't look like this unless this candle and this candle close like that, which I know. Like this looks super bearish until this close. And this will happen in the last, what, fucking maybe 30 orders. So it's just showing that order flows for me is bullish. And then in hindsight, you have this bullish hammer. You have a bullish hammer, bearish hammer that got bought back up, confirmation, failure, confirmation. So this high becomes a target. But there's too much conflicting opinion. At the moment, I'm trading fixed risk instead of fixed lot size. I'm trading $300 risk per trade, 1 loss per day. If I take a win, it should be $450 profit, and then I can risk another 300 on one more trade, which means if I take one win first, I always end the day up minimum 150 or plus 900, should be. It hasn't been working out like that. Or I just end the day down 300. And I don't have to take that second trade, but I can if I want. And then obviously, one of those good days is 3R. A bad day is 1R. Good days plus 900, minus 300. So this offsets, 3 bad days. And then a plus 150 day is just like pretty much break even, but still moving up. No, I don't. I've tried, but I struggle with runners, I'll be honest. I do struggle with runners. Like here in hindsight, say I got into this trade, stop at the high, 1.5R hits pretty quick. Could definitely try target at least some of these levels where I've got, because for giving up 1.5R, leaving this much on the table, this much on the table is quite a bit. But I don't, no, I struggle with that. I struggle with it. I don't know if it's a prop firm thing, because I'm really trying to pass. I don't know if it's a fucking... I'm really fucking considering just putting 10k USD into a personal account and trading it as if it was like 5 funded Topstep accounts. I really am toying with that idea, because it's like if I get funded and I will... Yeah, okay, I won't. No, right. I take your opinion quite seriously. Yeah, okay, maybe not. I think I gotta use the leverage of the prop firms and just realize that this is only 250 bucks. My net prop firm spend, and it's almost March, is only 480 USD, so I think we're in a good spot compared to previous years of tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and whatever the fuck else. This is quite a bearish reaction back out of this 2000 inversion. I'll take short here, and I'm not going to hesitate. Put stop at the high, and we'll see if we can target these lows. This has come back into the 2000 inversion here. So this is a bearish close. Really, I should size into this appropriately. Yeah, I don't know how the fucking the audio it might be loud because it looks louder. Shoes tap quiet in a private rhyme. Head grows taller over time. Headlines fade to watercolor. My shoulders lengthen, thoughts grow smaller. There's plenty of areas here that can hold us up, so I really want to see how this 2000 closes. If it bounces off here and then this just flips back up higher, then I'm gonna hate it. But this is a 2000. This is the break-even point on the trade as well, so this reaction I really like.
Order
I'll
filled.
get into full size, and then this is the full trade. Stop at this high. If I take a loss, I take a loss, bro. Who cares? I need to take a loss. So watch this just fucking print up. Stop here. We shall see. If it clears back above this high, this is probably a shit trade. But I'd like this to flip back. Now, whether or not it clears this low is a different question. And just need to be wary of this 2000 holding us up. And I'm doing the same thing, which I sometimes hate, which is trading pre-session. So unless this is like really delivering how I want it to, I don't know. I've noticed that sometimes you get a lot of movement in this first hour and then trading in between, oh good bro, and then any movement between the 11 to 12 o'clock hour usually sucks because it's setting up for the 12 o'clock move. So we'll see if this wants to work out or not. It's working out really nicely so far. Should probably protect my stop above this high. If it's down here, I'm going to go break even by market open, or 12 o'clock open. This is nice. If we can just get full external, so it'd be fucking awesome. But yeah, it's difficult in this range because double stack zone holding us up. See if we can just melt to this low. And really, like, knowing that my bias is here, shorting this is my 1-5R, it's done, you know. It's a hesitation mechanism as well for me. I'm gonna manually close this trade if we bounce back in this level as well, and then just wait for the open. We'll see, boys. What's the 1 minute saying? Is the 1 minute looking nice? 1 minute's looking okay. I'd really just like it to run this low if it wants to, because I can see this just flipping back up and running the high. I'd like just stacked 1 minutes, just selling into this low, even running this low prior to 12 and just dying. But this is alright. Good. I mean, what's this? 250.13. I almost want to go break even on this, just based on how it's printing. I probably wouldn't want to lose on this trade at all. I don't think it's worth losing on this trade one bit. This 2000 has to hold us lower, ideally. Getting that respect there, so it's nice if we can just, yeah, flush back through. I'll let this sit as a risk-free trade. I don't really like my stop being like, you know, I risk the full stop. I don't think this 2000 should be retraded if it's going to sell to this low. I went Russian. Nice. Just need to watch for a bounce here because this is obviously an area of support in here. Very quite an annoying level to get through. And the closer it gets to 12, the worse that this move is going to be. Because you're going to get this, and then you're probably going to get a V-shaped recovery back up if it doesn't sell this low. Yeah, I'd say break even as well. It's probably wise, allows me to have another trade, but I would really hate if it comes up here and then does this. I think I'd hate that more than risking a 150. Because if I take this loss, I'm just going to call that a 150 loss. I'm not going to trade the rest of the 150. I just don't want to see this 1 minute print back through here, you know. For me, invalidation has to be this high. This wouldn't be invalidating the trade, but this high definitely would. I just hate being in trades coming into the 12 o'clock hour because I just have a, I don't know, I just really, it's created this range. What makes me think that this is going to run this low by the open? I don't know. Will it not? Or will it just come here, bounce, and then just do something like that? Probably.
Keep me steady on the last train home. Tell me now, not by the phone.
Given that, I might just try to take 300 on it if we can come into here, because this would be a range play, and then that allows me to just have a free trade coming into the new session. I know that's fucking with my system a little bit, but this would still technically be a 2-hour trade. But we'll see if we can come down there. I think it would be wise to not try to target external liquidity, knowing that 12 o'clock comes up in fucking, yeah, in a sec. So I think that bouncing in this range is a possibility. I'll play that framework. If it hits this, I'm not going to be mad. But I can just see us hitting here. Nice little push into that low if we can. Watch it bounce here.
Neon flickers in the glass.
Alright, don't do it.
Order filled.
Yeah, we take that. Alright. Looks like it will run this low, honestly. But I'm happy with that, and I'm going to sit out until the open. And this is what I mean. I fucked with my system a bit, because I know that I should be holding till this. But it's hard to say. I think yeah, I don't know. Good to just execute and not really, yeah. I 970. This area for me is quite important. This double stack 50,000 or 5,000, sorry, because they're showing support here. And anywhere in this area, yeah, it's actually a good trade. That one I waited for confirmation a bit more than just knowing that I can short this if my bias is strong enough, because this obviously would have been a lot quicker, but a lot of people say better to wait for confirmation. This was really nice confirmation for me. I get scared to protect my trade at this high, otherwise I could have gone full size into this short. You know what I mean? Yeah, no need to rush, no need to rush. No need to rush. We've taken a W. I think now coming into 24. Oh shit. I already took a trade. Let me turn my executions on. Sorry, guys. I was just getting annoyed looking back at my tilt. Yeah, I took it, but I didn't hold it to the full low POV. I just took it from here to here because expecting it to bounce here, which we're honestly doing exactly as I said. I think it can take this low, but I just don't know if it's going to happen prior to the 12 o'clock hour. So I just took 1-to-1 on it, pretty much. 300, I was risking 300 at this high, and then I reduced risk to 150 at this high. So it was a 1 and, you know, basically it was 1.5R from here to here. Something like that. I guess the entry was more like that. It was that, and then I just reduced it to this, and then obviously took more around here. So I risked about 150 once it confirmed to make 300. Just because I don't enjoy trading, it's a personal thing. I've been in so many positions where I stay open in this position into the 12 o'clock hour. It runs up, it tags me break even, it tags me here, and then it just offers the same thing. And if I was just patient and wait for that hourly open, I don't mind taking trades before, I'll be honest. It just has to, yeah. And today it looks like it wants to continue off this fucking bearish PA. We might even fucking hunt these lows, because TP would be here on full 450, but it's alright. It's okay. Waited for a raid at the top of the hour and a CSD. I wonder how CISD would work with my tick chart. Is this the CISD here? So that would have been TP. So it's just another reminder that the system well, yeah, on the 5,000 it definitely does. I'd say that this is the CISD, no? Because this closes back through this body, or no? This actually might just run this before 12 and then die through as soon as it opens. Good bias. Happy with that. Instead of trying to look for some inversion long, just play the actual sentiment. The last three candles to close bullish. So what would that look like? Let's say like here. Let's say it's a bullish CASD. Would it be that? 3 bearish candles. Would this be a CASD? Alright. So 2000 or 500? This is the 2000, this is the 500. Yeah, okay. So here. So what, you taking this close or this close? Or just as soon as price pushes below here and closes, so like this one right here. First close. I mean, I definitely could have held that trade. There was showing signs that it wanted to run this low, but yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know. I'm happy that I made profit. I'm just not. I'm always self-critical at the moment because I was risking 300. I guess trading is a bit dynamic at times. We'll see what the new hour wants to bring. I mean, essentially here, like if I delete some of these, what do I have here? The same thing, 2000 inversion, closure below. Let's see if this would hit, because this would be the external one. I did say I wanted to see it reject in there and then close lower, so I guess, yeah. What did we take it at? 988, so I took it there. It's more scalpy up. I mean, the way that this is closing, it really seems like this is going to be the draw, naturally. Just take breed this one. I'm not going to take anything until we open, and then I'll decide. Might even be a case where we print low, test that, and continue off that, but usually every following sequence is just less probable for me. So like even this one shows an example of like a runner type situation. I really like that setup though, where you have this inversion close, generates liquidity, knocks it out break even, and then runs like that, for me is like fucking sick. Like if I can build that into my system, sometimes I really like where the inversion close, like yes, what's this day here? Yeah, here. We get this inversion close. We close underneath. You can take that. Yesterday. Inversion. This retest is usually like, nah, it doesn't make sense. I don't know, that one today is like really A+. I think this is just really A+ setup. This doesn't always happen. I don't understand CASD that much. I'll be honest. Like, I understand it, but I don't understand it enough to maybe... I do understand it. It is like this. I know that it has to be a liquidity sweep. I'm pretty sure it is that. It's just a... What it's saying is change in state of delivery. So you have your first, you know, this little, let's say, bullish price action here. And it's just when delivery changes back to being bearish. And obviously you gotta have your bearish bias. But then the moment that this occurs, you basically, because pretty much any point up until that, you don't have a change in state of delivery. So here, you're waiting, you don't get it. So then we print bearish, then we get bullish again. Alright, this becomes a new change in state of delivery. Alright, same thing. Then this becomes a change in state of delivery. Then once we claim that, this becomes your change, and then it allows you to position yourself better. If we use this one here, so same thing, bullish, 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 change in state of delivery, change in state of delivery, change in state of delivery. All right. On this close, essentially you can say that, I'm not sure how POV would trade it, but I'm assuming that this would be your more probable, you know, CASD setup or whatever. But essentially it's just waiting for, like, either, I think, the order block, or not order block because it's order flow. I don't know, I'm a bit confused, I'll be honest, chart that. Let's forward test it right here. So bearish, 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 bullish, we don't close above, bearish, 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 bullish, we don't close above, bearish, bearish, bearish. So this would now be your CASD. So let's see if this closes above. What would this be your CASD? I mean, lucky. That's why I don't shoot for external targets anymore, because this shit fucking drives me insane. POV, would this be CASD or this right now? For you. I'm curious. 11 minutes, let's see. Yeah, I know you have some of those rule sets. You still trade the 1 minute? Is that what you trade? For me, a big reason I wouldn't be in this trade is just 10 minutes into the open. But let's just mark that out so we can see what happens right on the see how the tick chart, it just fucking puts it all over there because it doesn't know how many orders can be filled in this time. Alright, the CASD is low, high, low, high. So this would be the CASD right here. Low, high. I think this would be correct. I don't know if it would be this. I think it would have to be this because this is low, high, CSD. This one would definitely be a CSD to my knowledge because it does a few things. Number one, it's really clean. Wow, that is nice. Just take that fucking close. I think it's just where you enter. I think the CIs that you take as it's happening, breaker structure or market structure shift, you're taking it once it's confirmed or waiting for a pullback, whereas CSD you're trying to get in on the momentum, if I'm not mistaken. Because market structure, let's use this example, this is the low. So this would be a market structure shift. So instead of second band VWAP deviation, that would be a market structure shift, red candle low, whereas this would be your change state of delivery. It's much higher. I think it just helps with getting in on a momentum. Yeah, market structure is based off the low chart that. So go to a higher time frame. Let's go here. So there's no low here. This would be your market structure shift on the 5 minute. But this would be your CASD on the 5 minute. So instead of you, I think, waiting for this and shorting this low, you're shorting this, and then it allows you to target your smaller ranges. I think, I'm not sure. I'm not in this trade. I think the way I trade on the 5,000 tick chart is a bit of that, or 500 and 2,000. I think it is like naturally built into it, but it's not always the case. I think if I look out for it more, it might yeah, I wouldn't be in this trade. I was just testing the CSD off this. I don't know if it's true. I don't know why you can't. I can, but people can't. I'm not sure why. Timestamps. Nothing that people send links in YouTube. Manage moderation settings. Comments on try to. So I'm just seeing if I can try. See now. I don't know if you can now. I just tried to turn off. Don't let it filter any comments. Let me know if it works or not.
Trade story, let the silence fill the dial. Oh, quiet streets, warm cappuccino. You and me in the window glow, let the outside.
Alright, let me. Moderation activity will be shown. Participants. Fuck's sake, man. I'm fucking retarded when it comes to this shit. What if I... Give me a sec, I'm gonna try something else. Where's the fucking studio, man? This is shit. I need to fucking search this. What if I... Wait, what's this? Fuck me, man.
5 slow times like you're daring time to stall. Oh, quiet street, warm cappuccino. You and me in the window glow, let the outside blur. Quiet street, warm cappuccino.
Try that. Try that. I just made you. Don't know if that's fucking. That might help. There we go. Let's promote all you boys to moderators because you guys are active. Yeah, that's working now. You boys have some power to mute people if you want, but don't use that power. I'll just make you all standard mods so you guys can send links. So this is what we're looking at right now. Yeah, well. So this is just on your chart and they just fucking bounce off perfectly. Perfect V-shaped recoveries as well, it's crazy. I think you boys can send links now, by the way. What is it?
Hands on the table, talk stays kind. Small clear thoughts in a tidy mind. We trade good news, not to impress. Just steady hearts, gentle success. Room makes space for the quiet cool. Patience turning into fuel. If nights get loud, we'll choose the lane where calm is king and joy is plain. We'll leave a light by the door we found, so others stepping safe and sound.
Full bar left side.
Speak easy grooves, let it ride. Soft on the edge,
Oh.
strong inside. No rush, no push.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Speak easy, deep grooves, endure. Deep grooves,
When's Globex open?
measured and sure.
I think this is Globex open, right? Like just when it opens. Bro, this looks like a groovy little chart. But yeah, well, bang, 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 bang. Is Globex open just when the market reopens, right? Just so I'm not wigging out. Fucking hell. Definitely keep that one favorited up here. Let's see what it does. See if it wants to. But that's the thing, eh? Some people have the most like outlandish little fucking indicators, but let's see if it wants to come up, because this would match up with this high, which would then support this idea, which is pretty much like, it's funny how this external low, I wonder if ES probably took it, SMT. You just have the second band on. I'll just keep it like that, see what it does. Don't know the cloud too much, but fucking, there's SMT between every asset. So NQ tagged the low, micro ES tagged the low, ES didn't tag the low, and then MNQ didn't tag the low. So NQ took the low, NQ took the low there, MNQ didn't. Micro ES took the low, but ES didn't. We get up. Yeah, I don't look for SMT anymore, and I'm fucking glad I don't, because it's just like, it's a wig out. It wigs me out way too much. This is what I was saying, by the way, about potentially coming back into here and then selling back into this low. Crazy. This is where I need to put pedal to the metal, bro, and just trust my setup. Let's see if this will play out. I'll be back in a sec, boys. Give me a few minutes. CASD, what do you mean, bro? What's good? Oh, don't tell me someone's botted my stream again. Wait, plays the Sean, POV, and chart that the viewers just went up from 9 to 160 out of nowhere. Someone's botted my stream again. And I know I was botting my stream because last time I was on 4,700 concurrent viewers and then all the views disappeared. Yeah, no, someone loves to bot my streams, bro. It's a piss take. I ain't falling for it again. I'll be honest. Because if this many people were watching, don't you think the chat would then, you know, someone would say something and I don't know. Yeah, it's a glitch. It's a glitch. It happened the other day. It's either a glitch or someone's actually like trying to fucking block my stream. I don't know. I don't know how it works. Yeah, I would like this short. I really do. I mean, inversion, retag. I should really be short, to be honest. I really should just be short. I've hesitated because I said I'll be back, and then yeah, I really should be on this 2000 or 500 close. I'll wait a bit. Yeah, see, it's on 2000. Gauthier lifestyle. Hard to say, bro. We have stacked lows here. And I think it's pretty clear that we're bearish, my man. Use code TFD. That's alright. Chartad was saying this the other day. And not a... I mean, Gauthier, welcome to the chat, brother. Appreciate you hanging out. But, yeah. Only one person spoke last time out of all these viewers, so... If you boys are real, I'll do the same thing. I'll give away... We'll do 3 this time. 3 Apex accounts for no reason. All you have to do is sub. And if we hit 500 subs, I'll give away 3 Apex accounts. Or I'll just change it to 1 Lucid Flex. I'll just give it away for free. But I know that it's a botted stream again, so... Doesn't matter. It don't matter. They really tried to wig me out last time, sure. Trust me, I was speaking to myself for like 25 minutes. Twin traded this in Gates FX. Nah, I don't think so. Because the thing is, this stream here had 4.6k views, and then it dropped once YouTube worked out they were fake views. So I'm not sure. Like right now it says I have 3,500 concurrent viewers, and that just doesn't make sense given how many people are talking in the chat, right? I think it's just a glitch. It wigs me out as well. It's like false hope. I think there's a way that you can turn it on for YouTube Shorts, but I don't think mine is. I don't think it is. So if I go into my YouTube studio, number one, you'd think that the subscribers or the views or the likes would go up, but yeah, 4,300 people watching is like, it's a lot of people. Like, you boys are pretty active in the chat for me when there's, say, like 5 to 10 people watching, 15 people watching. I think that if 5,000 people were watching, the chat would be fucking going off. I think that this, it doesn't have to come up here or here. It can. But I'd be playing with these 2 tilt days, boys. How fucked is that? That's so bad. No crystal ball here. This is probably true. But we'll see. I don't know, there's 4,800 people watching me, and if, you know, looks like the Matrix. How bad is that though? We go from that, and then it doesn't even show my previous executions anymore. Because of how many trades I took here, it won't show me my previous executions, which just annoys me. Hard to say, Gorthia. For me, I'm not looking for large moves in Asia. I'm just trying to get on side, to be honest, and then try to take a scalp into an area, which I already did here. I mean, it ran for a lot longer than I held it, but then anything here is less probability for me, because this is now ranging. You know, I wouldn't be in this trade. I'm just marking it out because it's a 2000, so I'm also tape reading it. But I would only take this first, because the first time this happens, this needs to hit the low. The moment that it starts doing this, you actually have the inverse occur right here. So this is now a 2000 inversion back to the upside. So say you're taking this, your 1.5 sits here. And this is the thing, I'm not correctly watching what I want to see now, because this is now becoming a chop range. I don't know, it's hard to trade this for me. Let me go on trading view because it's a bit easier. So what have we done? 4 hour, we respected, rejected, pushed down. I mean, we can't ignore that the 1 hour is pretty bearish, but this is disgusting. Yeah, I do. I have seen him. Nah. Good trade, bad trade. Tricky spot, Bortio. Did he lose 100k? What the fuck? What the fuck? Just bag holding 100k is crazy. Well, for me, Gortia, this is a bounce zone here. Asia doesn't always want to seek out external liquidities. Sometimes it'll just set up for later. And we do have quite a lot of this drop to fucking, you know, reprice. We haven't necessarily repriced 50% of this range yet. 2 stack liquidity points here. Could be a case where we trade up here, and then we set something up in London, and then New York delivers us back lower for an end of the week bearish close. But yeah, that's fucked. And he would have done that live on YouTube as well. It's crazy. So this is definitely an area that wants to hold. Pretty choppy. We now have this upper 2000, which could hold us higher to this side. As this session's going on, it's gotten progressively more ugly. What started off as a clean session is now becoming an ugly session. Hard to frame shorts from here or longs from here. Can frame both, which means probably not wise to risk any money right now, Gorfia. Unless you're really concrete on this playing short. If you're playing long, I wouldn't like logging here because the target is right here or here. Yeah, honestly, I'm starting to think that as well. Which is, it's making me a bit fucking like scared about this whole prop thing at times as well. It's like, what am I doing it for if it's all just a facade? Like, who can swing the biggest P&L to get views? It's like, should go on my practice account, which I have to reset because I was fucking around with it yesterday. Let's do that now. Should I like just full port on a practice account so that it looks like I'm like printing? Oh, they removed my practice account, man. I don't know why they did that. That's weird. What the fuck is going on? See what I mean? This is definitely a botted stream. Bro, great craftsmanship. Yeah, this is the biggest cap. This is a botted stream. It's all we get, bro, honestly. Alright, seeing as though they're all here, let's swing 150 contract short on the practice account.
Order filled.
And let's try to make a massive P&L. Great job, amazing, wow. Thank you guys. All spawned in, never heard of me. I really appreciate you all. Alright, yeah, we're swinging 150 contracts short right now. We're looking to target the lows here. Well, they can't really add on this practice account because, yeah, we're in full size. We get here, then I'll trade one more day, and then we'll look to take a max payout. Take an L on this, I'll probably have to reset, come back tomorrow. It's alright, it's a practice account anyway. We're in for fucking size here. We're in for size. Getting a nice confirmation here. You know what? I might just take fucking TP at this low here. Just cheeky 4,000 on the day. See if we can come down. See if we can just target some internal liquidity here. Just so we can get slammed through the low. Would be awesome. Cheeky $4,000 profit. You know, we're getting a nice move there. I'm just gonna take that off. Quick 2K, quick 2 ban. Quick 2 bans or break even. Quick 2 bans. Give me 2 bans. Chat, it's not working. We got it. Awesome, yeah. 2K boys, W's in the chat. That, like, it's just cap, bro. Over here trading my 5 fucking micros, 3 micros like a bitch. No, it's a piss take. But the thing is, see, like, with all the last time Chart Dad was here, Chart Dad was the only person that was here. I appreciate you boys. It makes me laugh. But yeah, no one was speaking in chat last time, and I mean, 100 people all just typing in "keep up the good work. Thanks for a great job." clearly bots. I didn't even know you could bot someone's live stream, but fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, and I know because it legit just happened the other day. If it didn't happen the other day... Oh, Gemini. You're real, bro. Wow. This short... What I saw was I fucking had a massive boner, I'll be honest. And I really felt like clicking short here with 150 contracts. And honestly, I just really want to like show you how easy it is to make $2,000 a day trading. No, honestly, this is a piss take. The short that I saw earlier, I don't know if you're being legit or not. It's just this 2000 inversion, which I trade off the back of yeah, and then we confirmed and I just took short here, trying to target this low. And then I don't like being in trades prior to the 12 o'clock hour, so I just closed it early. That's a real trade. This is a practice account. I like to be transparent, so this is not real trading. And I'm happy to swing 150 contracts for fun, because the market sucks anyway right now. So let's see what we can cook up. Just have a bit of fun, bro. Swinging contracts on this practice account. That Topstep clearly don't want me to trade because they deleted it. This is what I mean. I can't tell if it's real or not because what do you want? Flex? Yeah, I think with the flex, isn't it like Topstep? It's better to build them first. I think it is like Topstep, or at least build them to past buffer, and then you can decide.
Order filled.
Alright, let's risk our full account on this full port. Negative RR strategy, back to this high. I know that they have that 50% rule as well. Yeah, smart. Oh, we're getting cooked here, boys. We're getting fucking slammed. Let's get a nice little flip higher. Yeah, for me, my goal is that similar thing. 3 to 4K, take some money off the top and then continue trading them up. I'd like to, if I can get these past, if I can get trade to 54, take a nice 10K out as my first payout in a while. But I'd really like to get to max payout, honestly, on Topstep. This looks like it's gonna fail. Let's get out of that. Yeah, we're back to break even on the day. Awesome, awesome. Let's go on the 100 tick chart and just wig out for a bit. I think it's gonna go back to this low. I think it's failing. Risk the full account. Back to here for 4K. Yep. We like that. Oh, this one's running, boys. I think we hold this one. I reckon we get 5K on this. Oh wow. Let's get 4K on that. Oh my god, we're so rich, bro. We're so rich. So rich, man. Oh shit, you guys can see that's a practice account. Right, people. I know, there's actually people doing this shit, right? Fucking reality. Let's flip long now.
Order filled.
Let's take a quick scout back to this high. Risk the full account balance. Someone negative RR trading. Watch this like not. Let's watch this blow the whole account right now. I mean, I don't know why I'd click buy there, but fuck it. It's a practice account anyway. Look, if this is what's gonna get people to type in chat and think this is actually trading, I'm down for it. I'm down, because people are doing this anyway. The real ones will know. Oh no, we're about to lose the account, and then I'll just click reset on my other screen and we'll keep going until we hit like 10k on a trade. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Let's get bounce back to this high, just to this order block for an extra 800. 0.1 RR. Yeah, to be honest, short probably makes sense. Oh, we've got a volume imbalance right here, boys. I think I'll target 150 prof. I think I'm gonna target, yeah, just $300 profit on this volume imbalance right here.
Something we can't steal. A corner booth, a whispered cheer. A beat that holds us right here.
Kind of been in was shorter.
I'll be your heaven.
It's funny, sometimes when I click like these things on the fucking practice accounts, it's like honestly the best part to fucking, oh, we're running, boys. We're getting a nice reaction here. I'm gonna try and make an extra $300 on this one. If we can just get a little pump up to this high. Might have to protect ourselves at this low. So we've got a bit of drawdown left for the session. Depends if this wants to give us a move back to this high. Just comment to the top of this 500 fair value gap. What are we saying? Get a nice little push through here, back through VWAL. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. Awesome. 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 W trade. What's the stats looking like? 4 trades, 4 grand, boys. Like, let's take a screenshot and blast it all over X and fucking pump my affiliate code. Gay as hell, dude. That's what this fucking thing has become, hasn't it? Someone will take a photo of this, post this on their fucking Twitter, and bait people in. I'm over here trying to actually be profitable and just wigging out, making no money. I did this once. I actually got it up to like $180,000 on a practice account when I was just like trading on the side for fun. When I was like broke, I just got a practice account and I was keeping one eval open for ages. Get that WAP subscription out. 200 USD a month, boys. Get ready. Nah, not for me. Not for me. 3.9k watching. Guardius, you'd think that it's true, but it's not. Because if you scroll up, they're all bots. I think. I don't know if they're bots. I don't want to be calling 4,000 people bots, but I think they're bots. I'll be honest. I really think they're bots because this happened the other day and it was on 4.6k and not anyone typed, and today no one was typing, and then out of nowhere 100 people just fucking spawned in speaking nonsense. So then I went to this practice account and started full boarding to see if I can bait them back. And we're cooking right now. We're actually cooking. At this rate, I'm averaging about $1,000 a trade. So if I took 1,000 trades today, I'll make $1 million in one day. that's the current win rate. Sense a bit of weakness here, boys. Sense a bit of weakness. I think I'm gonna slam 150 short, back short.
Order filled.
I sense a bit of weakness right here. So I'm gonna full port, risk the whole account balance. What's that? 8,500. I'm gonna retarget this low. I'm just gonna completely inverse what I'm thinking. Man, I should have pressed long, man. The views are dropping off drastically, boys. Oh, that's fucked. This is still gonna actually hit like stop loss, but we'll just leave it open. I'm already in max size, no, 15 mini position, 150 micros. You know what, this negative RR strategy is low-key working though. Let's retarget at the retest of this zone. Risk 9 grand to make 1,000, sounds like a good deal to me. It's crazy how much buying power this is though. Because like realistically, like say this is such a small time frame, but if we go to like yesterday's price action, the people that actually swing this full position on like one of these moves, that's how much you can make in a day. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, I love that strategy, bro. It's my favorite. I actually low-key use that when I go get casinos. I can't lie. Sometimes it works pretty well. I'm joking. I don't do that. But I actually do believe in like I can see some sense to it. I just think it's very risky, but no, I haven't seen it. I mean, if you have a big enough bankroll, you essentially can't lose. We're printing, boys. We're actually cooking so hard. There's no way. They bought 50 mil plus account. Alright, take it back. Take it back. Super heavy rejection. They're gonna have to get out of that one. We're locked in right now. Super locked in. I'm gonna take a failure swing above here. Knocked out 100 tick chart. Just gamble. I'm gonna gamble my way to 10k. Oh, that's nice. That's weakness. Let's buy into that weakness. Assuming that this is gonna fail. I'm gonna inverse everything that I'm saying. Say that that's a short weakness. I'm gonna say that that's actual weakness to the downside, and then we're gonna buy into that. Awesome, awesome. Really working out here. Let's just target these highs up here. I think they'll put us at a nice 7k prof on the day, if we can get up there. And we'll risk the full $7,000 that we have. Just a nice little flick back to the highs, if it would be so kind. Oh no, oh no. The 100 tick chart's actually like dog water. 500 tick chart's okay. The executions start to with me out though at a certain point. Like now this just looks so disgusting to look at. Bro, imagine blowing a $50 million account and trying to explain that to like investors and shit. Yeah, see. The views have dropped now to 14, back to where it was originally. No. Oh, the movie? Like the trailer? It's alright, we're safe, boys. We've got a bit of drawdown to play with here. Might get a reaction here. Seeing as though we're risking the full account, I might as well just... That's crazy. Curious to see if he can actually cook, because he owns fucking majority of Propfirm and just trading community in general, like attention. I think I always actually tell people though when they first get into it, like if they want to learn, his bootcamp's actually pretty good just for like a beginner. Bit long, but to be a good trader, maybe not, but to get into trading, I think they're okay. Yeah. Alright boys, might have to reset this account, give me a quick sec. See if it wants to flip here. Otherwise we might just have to give it a quick reset. Alright.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Now I think it's gonna work out. We'll target that high. 11 grams. We'll just keep doing this until we can get a 10k P&L. I think it's gonna actually, realistically, I think that this is now targeting the fucking market. It's rejected in here twice. 2000, reinverse back to the downside out of here. I think this wants to sell off to the lows. Boys, I'll be back in a sec. I said I was going to be back as just before, but give me 2 seconds.
Who helps me make a stand? Drink up. He's the only one who understands. Drink up. He'll do the rest. I'll do the rest. Oh, the man from London. He just keeps on calling. Ever since that first sweet sip, I started falling. He handed me the glass. Said, here's what I require. Just hand me your desires and drink up. And I'll do the rest. Drink up. I'll do the rest. Drink up. The man from London. Drink up.
Practice account sometimes. It just fucking feeds into the gambling side of trading. But I think even having a practice account is probably dumb. Cause how many trades have I taken like fucking 10 in like a minute before? Pretty ugly now. It's just actually like becoming a bit of an ugly range. I don't think I'll want to take anything else for a while. Bro, there's this guy. He's fucking growing so quickly. He's an Asian guy from Sydney. He's actually really nice. Abby Teddy Maruta. He had one video that popped off. And I'm taking credit because my ABM video, he done a spin-off of it, and then he had one video recently and he's gained like 8k followers from it. But yeah, anyway. Just gotta do me. I just want to make money from fucking trading, to be honest. I just want to get my trading shit sorted so then I can actually fucking, I hate to be in a trade right now, that's for sure. So I mean, these two are like pretty probable, but then these becomes just shit places to actually be in a trade. If I was on like a eval funded, I'd hate to be in these. So I will just hit the reset button again. I wonder if Topstep actually like look at this like I'm a gambler. Maybe I shouldn't do this. I honestly just clicking the button. Like I'm not even analyzing anything here. This is like no effect. It's like I'm just watching money go up and down for the sake of money going up and down.
I lift you, you lift me. Round and round, we're free. See despair, you take a rest. I give thanks, we both feel blessed. Door chimes, friends say hi. Room gets soft and easy wide. Todo bien, we all agree. Simple kindness sets us free. Pass the glow,
Wow.
let it roll.
Like 11k here, boys.
Soul to soul, pass the glow, make it whole. We feel good, we feel whole tonight.
Stream. I'll probably let this play out wherever the fuck it does, or just for fun, anyway. But yeah, I don't think I'll take anything else in this for my personal evals. I think this is okay. Then I can see what happens coming into London if I take something else. But for now, I think that's... It was okay, the trade, in hindsight, reflecting back. Setup was fine, confirmation was good. I think just the exit was a bit premature, maybe. Bit of fear, maybe, or...
Streetlights painting on the avenues, losing track of all the passing views. There's a current running under my feet, a conversation in the concrete, yeah, a rhythm in the concrete, and the skyline starts to glow for me. A million stories I can't see, I feel it building, rising high underneath this endless sky. Golden haze and city lights in this maze, it feels so right. Yeah, the pulses in my soul, losing all my self-control. Golden haze and city lights, we can't own it for the night. Yeah, the pulses in my soul, taking over all control. Feels so right, feels so right.
So I was just replying to some messages. What would this be? 35. Imagine you try and catch all the way up to yesterday's high. So 15 mini swing yesterday, people would have bought 155k. It's crazy. And it was like honestly not even that bad of a setup if you took it off this gap. Imagine people that had this as like a trade. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, Friday's a hit and miss. Like, that's what I mean. Sometimes that's when this first hour, like, it's quite clean, and then this just happens, and I think that's been happening recently. We're going to 5 minute, or 3 minute, let's go to 3 minute. Like, this is pretty clean, and then it's just shit. Yesterday, it was clean that first hour, then it was just shit. First hour pretty shit, then it was clean. Some movement. Hard to know when Asia's gonna trade well. Fucking, you just never know. This is a pretty nice PA. Pretty nice, decent. This was probably the best PA Asia day in a while. I remember, oh shit. I remember this one. This was a nice one. So the problem with me with Topstep stats as well is as soon as you like start fucking tilting or like have one bad period, all your trade stats get fucking skewed. So it's actually hard to refine like what you fucking is actually working. Because like for me, I was having some good stats generated by trading these accounts properly, but the moment that I tilted on Friday, it skews everything. I think it's just, to be honest, bro, that like the cost versus benefit over a 50k probably isn't there most of the time. Like what firms offer 25k's? I think 900 futures. Like here you're paying 230 for 1,000, or you can pay an extra 100 for 2,000. 84 a month for a 25k, 100 a month for 50k. Usually your payouts on this are quite limited as well, bots. And generally people just like the idea of fucking making more money. You know, like, it always feels nicer to be able to fucking swing bigger positions on 4.5k drawdown than, you know, on a 1k drawdown. You know that you can only risk maybe 100 or 200 bucks per day. But it all depends on the level that you're at. I think a lot of people would benefit from just trading at 25k and building their skill. But generally most people aren't going to do that in reality. Like personally, the only time I traded 25k's was when I traded the fast track trading period, and I traded like that really small size, and it worked really well. Like these were my accounts, and this was like how much I was making. You know, it was just small incremental days, but after 22 days, it's like I made that 1,500, and then this was across 20 accounts. You know. Yeah, TradeC looks alright. Yeah, it really does. Especially the mobile phone part of it. I think Tradeify has TradeC as well. Oh shit. Do they? No, maybe they don't.
Buongiorno to the day. Crazy for this time. Pick a little cup.
Oh yeah, just Leilu and Lucid.
Hands around a little sun. First wind says more will come. Peace in every quiet sip. I'm aligned, steady grip. Cappuccino, cappuccino. Hold me steady, keep it primo. Cappuccino, cappuccino. Small and golden, now we flow. Cappuccino, keep it simple. Sip and settle, find my tempo.
Feel like a little kid. What happened? Impulsive fucking behavior, or what'd you do, Sean? Oh, yeah, that's always red hot. Where's my 4,000 live stream viewers? They didn't see me talk. I'm actually curious if this fucking plays out. Been off the Discord recently. Guardians? Yeah, fucking hell. I mean, unless you're in that number 12 low, it seems like it's a bit shitty to trade. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you traded on? 5 minute, I think you said?
Order filled.
He was ready to wig out with his order filled sell. I'm ready.
Order filled.
I'm so excited to wig out with this order filled sound. It makes me happy and excited. Let's just continue. Let's just rip higher and just keep fucking slamming through these TPs, brother. Let's make like 14 G's. We are printing. We are printing.
Order filled.
Oh my god, we're cooking so hard here, boys. We're cooking so hard here. We are cooking. I can sleep peaceful at night knowing that I'm profitable. What do you reckon goes through someone's head when they're unprofitable? Make a Discord and know that they're unprofitable. Like, I couldn't live with that guilt, personally. Like, I always was in the position of, let's take a few more contracts off here just to protect some capital and go break even on the rest. Let's get another one off.
Order filled.
And then I'm gonna let 45 contracts ride to these guys. What, like, yeah. I don't know. I don't think I could fucking sleep at night. No.
Order filled.
8 grand. Alright, we're protected now. We've locked it in. Let's try target. Let's target 15 here. 15. Yeah, I don't know how people do that. Wake up every day knowing that they're lying. But hey, I'm over here broke as fuck. My fucking investment property's got damages every fucking 2 weeks. My hot water system blew up today, so now it's another 2 grand I gotta spend. It's bringing my total monthly spend on my investment property to like 8 grand. And I'm unprofitable, so life's great. Life couldn't be better. Don't miss being a landlord, bro, honestly. It's fucking terrible. Every day I wake up, it's just fucking shit, man. Like, 2 days, last month it was fucking, not last month, like the start. Fucking waterproofing issue, epoxy regrout, 2.5 grand. Legitimately 3 days ago on stream, aircon fucking issue. Requires replacement, 2.5 grand. Today I wake up, hot water tank lid blown off, blown up hot water tank, estimated 2 to 3.5 grand. It's like, you can't even fucking make money on this shit, bro. My mum and sister have owned investment properties for like 5 to 10 years now. They've spent fuck all on them. I've owned mine for like a short period of time, 3 years, and it's just been a headache. But hey, more money, more problems, hey? Is what it is. I mean, luckily this year the property's gone up a decent amount, so it's not the worst thing. I bought it for $620 and yeah. Where are you moving to? Hell yeah, I'm taking the piss with this fucking same place, just different house, mad. All good POV. I might get off as well, bro. I'm just like, I'm in a fucking demo trade, like for no reason anyway. I should probably go head to the gym because I've been skipping some sessions.
Order filled.
Alright, so now we've got this fake account with fucking heavy balance as a piss take. That's funny as. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna get off as well and just go train, go to the gym. We're now past the 50% point. So we're in a good spot. I really want to go overseas, boys, so I gotta just take this shit fucking slow. But also not be scared, because today we got some momentum back. We pressed the button and we accepted the risk, and I was pretty calm about it. So I think my emotions are back into a decent spot. So I'm happy with the session. Could have definitely got more out of it, but we got enough. We got enough. Anyways, boys, I think I'm gonna call it here for myself. And yeah, just go to the gym and probably see if I trade London or not, but probably not. Friday afternoons, I don't really like trading, so we'll see. But yeah, appreciate you all. POV, Sean, Guardius. Chart Dad, bots, all the boys. Appreciate you all hanging out. Gemini, and then obviously all my 100 bots that decided to join as well. But MBs is still remaining, which I know is natural. But yeah, appreciate you all. And then see what we can cook up next week. We are basically 2.5 winning trades away from passing, which in the grand scheme of things isn't much at all. It really isn't. So I just gotta stay patient and just kick back, relax, fucking execute, and then let it work out itself. Alright boys, much love, peace out, enjoy your weekends, and I'll catch yous, yeah, next week, hopefully. Enjoy your weekends, appreciate you all. Much love, bye.